Insert the roller tube connector into the left roller tube. Attach the right roller tube to the roller connector. Use 4M4 self-tapping screws to secure the roller tubes and the connector. Insert the front tube connector into the left front tube. Attach the right front tube to the front tube connector. Use 4M4 self-tapping screws to secure the front tubes and the connector. Feed a plastic pipe through the eyelet on either side of the awning valance. Insert 2 plastic pipes into the eyelets on either side of the awning canopy, 4 pipes in total. Slot the plastic pipe on one side of the canopy into the groove of the roller tube assembly. Wind the canopy clockwise onto the roller tubes. Trim the excess plastic pipes protruding from both sides of the roller tubes. Slot the plastic pipe on the other side of the canopy into the groove of the front tube assembly. Trim the excess plastic pipes protruding from both sides of the front tubes. Slot the plastic pipe on the valance into the second groove of the front tube assembly. Trim the excess plastic pipes protruding from both sides of the front tubes. Secure both ends of the valance with M4 self-tapping screws. Slide the center support to the middle of the roller tube assembly. Use a wire stripper to strip approximately 0.39 inches, 1 centimeter, of insulation from both cables. Feed one cable through the hole in the right torsion tube. Feed the other cable through the hole in the left torsion tube. Feed the right cable through the torsion tube connector. Twist the wires of the same color together, for example, red to red. Secure the connection with electrical tape. Ensure that no bare metal is exposed. Insert the torsion tube connector into the left torsion tube. Attach the right torsion tube to the torsion tube connector. Use 4M4 self-tapping screws to secure the front tubes and the connector. Clamp one folding arm onto the torsion tubes. Secure the torsion tube clamp using 2 mounting bolts, spring washers, and nuts. Disassemble one folding arm connector by removing the nut, washer, and white wide washer in sequence. Insert the main part of the connector into the mounting hole in the folding arm. Reinstall the white wide washer, and nut to secure the connector. Install the left folding arm onto the torsion tubes, following the same steps as above. Attach the center support to the torsion tubes after removing the locking bolt and nuts from the support. Reinstall the bolt and nuts. Slot both folding arm connectors into the groove of the front tube assembly. Flip the front tube assembly over to expose the bottom of the connectors. Tighten the connectors using an adjustable wrench. Insert the motor into the roller tube assembly from the right side. Flip the front tube assembly over to expose the center support. Ensure the curve of the right bracket matches the curve of the center support during installation. Remove the nuts from the bolts on the motor. Install the right bracket onto the torsion tube and motor. Ensure the notches of the right bracket ring line up with the motor bolts and fit securely. Reinstall the nuts to secure the right bracket. Fit the roller plug into the left end of the roller tube assembly, then tap it in fully using a hammer. Seal the roller plug with the seal ring. Ensure the curve of the left bracket matches the curve of the center support during installation. Install the left bracket onto the torsion tube and motor. Secure the left bracket by tightening the bolt with an M8 Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench. Place the left upper arm cover onto the left bracket, then gently tap it into place. Repeat the same steps to secure the right bracket. Then install the right upper arm cover and tap it lightly into place. Place the lower arm covers onto the front tubes, then tap them into place. Use a wire stripper to strip approximately 0.39 inches, 1 centimeter, of insulation from the left side wires. Strip approximately 0.39 inches, 1 centimeter, of insulation from the light strip wires. Twist the blue wire to the gray wire and the red wire to the white wire. Secure the connections with electrical tape. Ensure that no bare metal is exposed. Strip the insulation of the right side wires by approximately 0.39 inches, 1 centimeter. Strip the insulation of the motor wires by approximately 0.39 inches, 1 centimeter. Connect the wires according to the wiring color table. Secure the connections with electrical tape. Ensure that no bare metal is exposed. Use a stud finder to locate and mark the center of the wall studs. From ground level, mark 3 points at the same height within the DIMC height range. Align the bottom of a mounting bracket with the marked point. Use a level to ensure the bracket is straight, then mark the center of each mounting hole. Position the other 2 mounting brackets following the same steps. Mark the drill bit at a point approximately 0.4 inches longer than the expansion sleeve. Drill holes at the 6 marked locations. Hammer the expansion anchors into the wall until their sleeves are fully embedded. Remove all the washers and nuts. Install 1 mounting bracket onto the wall using the washers and nuts removed earlier. Use a level to recheck the mounting bracket, then tighten the nuts with an adjustable wrench. Install the other 2 mounting brackets onto the wall following the same steps. Remove the bolts from all the mounting brackets. Attach the assembled awning to the mounting brackets. Secure the torsion tubes to the mounting brackets using the bolts and nuts removed earlier. Tighten the nuts using 2 adjustable wrenches. Install and tighten the previously removed bolts and nuts. Secure the other 2 mounting brackets to the torsion tubes using the bolts and nuts removed earlier. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the nuts on the right folding arm. Tighten the nuts on the left folding arm too. Remove the Phillips screw from the crank handle adapter. Install the crank handle adapter onto the motor and secure the adapter using the removed Phillips screw. Hook the hand crank onto the crank handle adapter. Remove the safety restraints from the folding arms one at a time. Use the hand crank to extend the awning to the desired length. Loosen the adjustment bolt using an Allen wrench, but do not remove it. Select the appropriate slot on the adjustment bracket based on the desired angle. Tighten the nuts on the adjustment bracket using an adjustable wrench. Retighten the adjustment bolt. Adjust the awning angle on the other side following the same steps. Open the back cover of the remote control using a push pin. Power on the awning. Press the P2 button twice. The motor will rotate forwards and then backwards, indicating successful pairing. Press the up or down button to pair. Adjust the angle of the folding arms using the limit adjustment rod based on the diagrams on the motor. Remove the protective covers from the weather sensor. Use a level to ensure the weather sensor is level, then mark the mounting points with a marker. Mark the drill bit at a point approximately 0.4 inches longer than the expansion tube. Drill 2 holes at the marked positions. Hammer the expansion tubes into the wall until they are fully embedded. Use expansion bolts to secure the weather sensor. Reinstall the protective covers. Power on the weather sensor. Press the P2 button twice on the remote. Press the P2 button once on the weather sensor to pair. Rotate the blades on the weather sensor to test if the awning retracts.